Welcome back. Today we got a special guest.
Hey guys,
all the way
what's
from Trinidad and Tobago.
Big up Trini.
We
So
doing?
we're literally in the middle of preparing 2 meals from the Caribbean. So we have pilau here and we have the corn soup. So we have the base of the corn soup going right now, and we have like the pilau. All the ingredients are in, so it's now like boiling down.
Yes.
So we're gonna see some more of that just now. But welcome to the vlog. So this is the pilau, corn, carrots, pumpkin shredded in there, a lot of seasoning. You have your rice and it's chicken, of course, and everything right now just cooking together. Nice,
Oh, yeah.
Nice. And if you look here, this is just the base of the corn soup here. So you have the seasonings, we have some split peas that we was pressure cooking earlier on. And we're just adding some more seasonings right now just for this to boil together. And then we're going to add the corn and let it cook up and boil down nice. So yeah, going good.
Let me tell you guys, the last time Frost came over here, he made this pilau, and I think I had like 3 plates, 3 or 4 plates.
About
like,
3.
About 3, 4 plates.
We're on with the corn.
Trying to cut some corn right now.
Corn going in. So this is going to take a little while to boil. So what happens is the pilau going to be done, and this is going to be like after.
Yeah. Pilau and corn soup. This guy, man, this guy. You know, you should have your own cooking channel. You know that?
One day, no. One day.
I was just telling him, like, I'm not even exaggerating. The last time you cooked pilau, we had like 3, 4 plates. Like, so good. So
last
good.
time he cooked pilau, right? The time before that, he cooked cow heel soup
With pigtail.
with pigtails.
I just walked up to it. Look who it is. Look who it is.
Are you vlogging?
We vlogging the corn soup and the...
Meat carrot.
Oh, you got some fun,
Yo, look at your shirt. Wow.
No, that's...
Some big... Wow.
So there's a sneak peek of what's taking place here.
Wow. It's looking good, looking good. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Make for you, so you have to tell me.
When you think about retirement,
If the soup making sense, so
Taste test, taste test.
you want to focus on growing your portfolio as much as possible. The next 5 to 10 years is going to be absolutely
Honestly, that tastes
when
good.
it comes to the menu to invest in dividend stocks because the sound safe. Dividend stock is quite low.
It don't need much.
Less than
I think good.
8% a year.
Yeah, a little bit pepper.
Instead, have time to try and test out every single strategy on the internet.
Cup your hand like this.
Build your portfolio with a proven long-term strategy.
Do fast. Your mouth can handle having stuff in here.
And I have prepared a free 60-minute investment training for you.
Yo, this shit is hot. You're both versus.
Come on, good up.
Good. For me, it's alright. I don't need salt, but put a little.
My hand is burnt right now.
This guy just poured it right on my freaking hand. That's why I dropped my phone. My burn my hand.
Holy
Invest in long-term.
Yo, we can put your picture on a flyer and get you here.
We got a pilau. We got a coleslaw.
I just took this out the
It's not like
box.
it hasn't been done before.
Yo, you... Yeah, he just had a whole mountain of food.
Dan, this man no take. What's our plate of food?
We have a plate already.
No, just videotape it.
This thing.
That's 2 sharp. Relax, relax.
Yo, yeah, you guys just took a plate of food.
it's a bad place. Going good.
Okay, come. Let's do it soon, bro. Sorry,
Yeah, boy.
It's so good. So good. The pilau was amazing. If you don't know what pilau is, he's gonna explain it right now.
So pilau is a West Indian dish. It's known all over the Caribbean. In Trinidad, you know it for sure. You have your rice, your peas, you add some vegetables. You could add corn, carrots. People add potato. People even include plantain. And then you stew the chicken. So stewing chicken, you take the brown sugar and then you burn it. You add the chicken to get that stew flavor, and then you adding everything on top of that. So the foundation, the base, is that brown sugar being melted and almost burnt. And then you add the chicken that you're seasoning with your green seasoning, and then you add your rice to get the brown, and from the brown sugar. And then while you're adding that, you add in your pumpkin, you add your pigeon peas, and then you let that just marinate, let it dry right down. And then you add some water just to get the rice to start to cook. And in that you add your golden ray, and then later on, this is the key, you add your coconut milk later on, because if you add the coconut milk too soon, then you're gonna have a really sappy and wet pilau, which is cool. But if you prefer a dry pilau, you add it closer to the end, and then you top up your seasonings. I'm talking about garlic, onion, shadow benny. That's all you need, and that's it, pilau.
And it tastes so good. To be honest, I like pilau more than cook up.
Oh, 100%. Pilau is
Yeah, what do you think?
better than
So cook up would be, I guess, like the Guyanese equivalent, but I to be honest, pilau.
Cook up can't touch pilau.
Yeah.
Can't scratch the surface. So here's another tip. If you ever stewing chicken or making pilau specifically, you know, usually when you're stewing chicken, you add oil and then you add the sugar to burn in that oil. Don't do the oil. Just do that sugar alone so you get all those flavors naturally. And then you add the chicken in that so it sticks to the chicken. And it's like you're almost frying this chicken in this stew. So yeah, try it. Let me know.
I know.
Came and touched down.
How was it?
Good.
Keep that for memories. That's it. I did.
Get in it. What do you think?
Wow.
It's good? Yeah, I feel like every video that we have Ethan, he's like, it's so good. Yo, this whole channel is just Ethan trying new foods.
Watch this man bunny mouth.
We're gonna try the corn soup now.
Corn soup. Yes. Cheers. So both the corn soup and pilau are so good.
Which side do I
We need a belly rub right now.
We'll put you right in the middle.
I gotta be right in the middle.
I'm full and I'm sleepy.
That's gonna be a tough one.
We're gonna be in the middle of both of them like a Buddha.
How you feel, Ethan?
Good. That food is good. Best food I had in
Take
a
your
long time.
blessings.
In a long time.
I give you my blessings. Take your blessings.
But you have to put dollars on him.
Shout out to DJ KiddFrost.
That's it.
Follow him, and he will have a tutorial soon. Hey, Ryan, hold this camera right there. Oh, this is a beautiful vlog here. So right now we out here in New York City, the Lower East Side, and
Reporting on the
we're
weather.
just vibing out right now. Take it over from here. Can you catch that view? That beautiful view? Yeah. I've never vlogged in a bar, so let's see what happens. Bro, why would you pour so much?
I was pouring it like this.
Only you. That's how much pepper you like?
Sir, can I have a new slice, please?
Stupid ass. Thanks.